Now condensation reaction of cyclic aldehyde and ketone with a different ammonia derivative. Now first structure is phenyl propanone. Now condensation reaction occur with a hydroxylamine. Name of this structure NH2H is known as a hydroxylamine. With this hydroxylamine reaction occur in this way, hydrogen of nitrogen combine with oxygen and eliminate in the form of H2O. Now whatever product obtained structure we can write in this way. This is phenyl propanone. Here double bond with this nitrogen and here OH and here. So name of this structure we can give phenyl propanone oxime. Name of this product is phenyl propanone oxime. So now try to write by yourself. We have studied already in this previous lecture that condensation reaction occur, water molecule eliminate, oxygen from carbonyl group, hydrogen from nitrogen remove in the form of water. Now here benzaldehyde reaction with this NH2NH2. This NH2NH2 is known as a hydrazine. So reaction will occur with this hydrazine. In this way, 2 hydrogen from nitrogen, oxygen from carbon, eliminate in the form of H2O. And as a result, we get this type of structure. Here benzaldehyde, carbon have a double bond with this nitrogen. And nitrogen is attached with NH2 and here hydrogen. So this structure is known as a benzaldehyde hydrazone. Name of this structure benzaldehyde. And remaining part we can give name hydrazone. So different cyclic structure can also react with this ammonia derivative. Now name of this ammonia derivative you are knowing very well, it is a phenylhydrazine. Now phenylhydrazine is allowed to react with cyclohexanone. So 2 hydrogen from nitrogen, oxygen from carbon, eliminate in the form of water. मुझसे पहले structure लिखिए. What will be the structure? Then here this cyclohexanone carbon having a double bond with this nitrogen and remaining part have a NH and I will have a written phenyl ring separately. So name of this structure we can give cyclohexanone combined with this part. So name of structure will be cyclohexanone phenylhydrazone. Cyclohexanone phenylhydrazone. Now last structure you have to write by yourself. Name of this structure is 2-butanol. Condensation reaction occur with this semi-carbazide. With semi-carbazide reaction occur in this way, oxygen joined with hydrogen eliminate in the form of H2O. अब मुझसे पहला structure लिखिए. We can write in this way CH3 here CH2 CH3 double bond with this nitrogen and here remaining part we can write in this way NH C double bond O NH2. So we can write name 2-butanol semi-carbazone. Name of this product we can give 2-butanol and remaining part semi-carbazone. So now we have studied different type of cyclic aldehyde or ketone may react with different ammonia derivatives in presence of acid and we get different product. Phenyl propanone with hydroxylamine gives phenyl propanoxime. Benzaldehyde with hydrazine gives us benzaldehyde hydrazone. Cyclohexanone with phenylhydrazine gives cyclohexanone phenylhydrazone. 2-butanol with semi-carbazide gives 2-butanol semi-carbazone. My dear students, if you like this lecture, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best. See you in next lecture.